curse when we're in traffic. A million flavors of your chapstick. The way that you keep my heart captive.
And one time when I came back from Colorado, this has been when Max first met Claudia. I've never heard this statement before, so it kind of shocked me. I almost didn't believe it. Max said, "Justin, I found a girl, and you won't believe it, but she's perfect."
To be my wife, to live this life together, and I won't let you go. I need you to know that you are my heart forever, and on and on and on.
In marriage, we say not only, "I love you" today, but also, "I promise to love you tomorrow, the next day, and always." In promising to love always, we promise each other time. We promise to exercise our love, to make it strong like a muscle, to build it and stretch it large enough to embrace the unforeseen realities of the future. We promise to learn to love each other beyond the level of our own instincts and inclinations, to love in hard times as well as easy times.
Can't wait for you to be my wife, to live this life together, and I won't let you go. I need you to know that you are my heart forever, and on and on and on.
I'm so beyond grateful this day is finally here. I knew that when we first started dating 6 years ago today, that you would be the one I would have the honor to call my wife. Being with you is one of the greatest feelings in this world. I can't stand to be away from you. You're the most kind-hearted, caring, intelligent, and thoughtful person I've ever met. Your soul is so full of love. You inspire me every day to be just like you. I promise to always be here for you and our future family, forever and always. I love you.
We'll dance till no one's left.
6 years ago, you captured my heart by being exactly who you are. The sweetest, most loving, and caring person I've ever had the pleasure of knowing. I knew from the first moment we met there was something so incredibly special about you, and somehow I knew that one day we would be standing here becoming husband and wife. Within months, you quickly became my rock, my whole world, and most importantly, my best friend. We have grown so much since that day, and I couldn't think of a better person to go through life with. We have the most beautiful life together with our sweet Callie, our beautiful homes, and our families, and I know it will only get better from this day forward. Today, Max, I give you my hand, my heart, my love, without question, forever and always. I love you.
And I won't let you go. I need you to know that you are my heart.
By the authority vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.